बिग बैंग थ्योरी ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಬೆ ಲೆಮೆಟ್ರೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂತವರು ಈ ಬಿಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಥಿಯರಿಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರು? ದ ಬಿಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ವಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಪೋಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಅಬೆ ಲೆಮೆಟ್ರೆ. ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಬೆ ಲೆಮೆಟ್ರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಬೆ ಲೆಮೆಟ್ರೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂತವರು ಈ ಬಿಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಥಿಯರಿಯನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಯರಿ, the earth ಅಥವಾ entire solar system is formed about 5 billion years ago by the explosion of a huge cloud of dust. What is the Big Bang theory? The Big Bang theory was proposed by Abel Lemaitre in the year 1931. According to this theory, our solar system, our entire solar system is formed about 5 billion years ago by the Big Bang, ಅಥವಾ a single explosion of the huge cloud of gases and the dust. That huge cloud of gases and dust is called as the nebulous. Nebulous anta kariತೀವಿ. What is that nebulous? The huge cloud of gases and dust is called as the nebulous. This nebulous, it undergoes explosion, that is Big Bang dum antada. Due to that, the small hot gases, piece of nebulous, small pieces of hot gas clouds are formed. Those are called as the nebulae anta ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Nebulae ಅಂತದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ one of the nebula is our solar system. You know what is a Big Bang? This Big Bang theory was proposed by Abe Lemaitre in the year 1931. According to this Big Bang theory, the entire universe is, ಅಥವಾ our solar system is believed to be formed about 5 billion years ago by the huge single explosion of a huge cloud of gases and dust that is called as the nebulous. Okay, when this nebulous undergoes a big bang or explosion, then it forms the small pieces of hot gases or small pieces of clouds of hot gases, that is called as the nebulae, and one of such nebulae is our solar system. As this universe expanded, expand ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದಂಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, there is a decrease in the heat energy. As the universe expanded, there is a decrease in the heat energy, that is the universe get cooled, and materials ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು due to the gravity. As a result, the stars and planets are believed to be formed. ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ ಗಳು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು. and one of such planet is the earth. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? that is the earth. Earth is one of the 8 planets in our solar system, that is the Milky Way. Earth is the one of the planet in the 8 planets in our solar system. The name of our solar system is Milky Way, and it is believed that this solar system Milky Way, it contains about 100 billion stars. Milky Way, it contains about 100 billion stars. Milky Way ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವು? 100 billion stars ಅದಾವು. Earth is believed to be formed about 4.5 billion years ago. Earth ಯಾವಾಗ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? about 4.5 billion years ago. Theory. ಅಂಡ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಪೋಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಅಬೆ ಯಾರು ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತೇಳಿನಿ ಅಬೆ ಲೆಮೆಟ್ರೆ in the year 1931. According to this Big Bang theory, our entire solar system is originated about 5 billion years ago by the huge explosion of the huge cloud of dust and gases. That is called as the nebulous. What is nebulous? Cloud of gases and dust is called as the nebulous. This huge mass of clouds of the dust and gases exploded. As a result, it forms the small nebulae. Several small hot gas clouds, those are called as the nebulae. Okay, these one of such nebula is our solar system. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿಲ್ಕಿ ವೇ ಅಂತ ಅನೇಕ ಮಿಲ್ಕಿ ವೇಗಳಿದಾವೆ. ಒಂದು ಮಿಲ್ಕಿ ವೇ ಯಾವುದು? ನಮ್ಮದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಯಾವುದು? ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿಲ್ಕಿ ವೇ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಹಿಂಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಆಸ್ ದ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್, ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್, pressure decreases. As a result, the temperature decreases. Hence, the solar systems will undergoes cooling. As a result of cooling, the stars and the planets were formed. One of such 8 planets is our Earth. This Earth is believed to be formed about 4.5 billion years ago. And our solar system, it is containing about 100 billions of stars. And the name of our solar system is the Milky Way anta ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Name of our solar system ಯಾವುದು? Milky Way ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಮುಂದಿನ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. So, when the Earth is formed, there is no atmosphere. When the Earth is formed, there is no atmosphere. Okay? Because there is an atmosphere which is reducing one, which containing no free oxygen. That atmosphere is called as the reducing atmosphere. What is the reducing atmosphere? One more question. The atmosphere without free oxygen is called as the reducing atmosphere. What is the reducing atmosphere? The atmosphere without free oxygen. Atmosphere without free oxygen is called as the reducing atmosphere. Oxygen is called as the reducing atmosphere. Okay. So, andre about 4.5 billion years ago, when the Earth is formed, this Earth do not have any oxygen contents, but having the oxygen which is not free, not in the free form. Oxygen ittu ಯಾವ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು? CO2, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್. ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಯಾವ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು? O3, ಓಝೋನ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is present but not in the free form. Such atmosphere is called as the reducing atmosphere ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. reducing atmosphere ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Okay, later ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Later, so this water vapors, methane, carbon dioxide and ammonia are released from the molten mass that covers the Earth's surface. Later, the water vapors, methane, carbon dioxide, ammonia, these are released from the molten mass that covering the surface of the Earth. Surface of the Earth ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಈ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಗಳು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರುವಾಯಿತು. ಆವಾಗ then the UV rays from the sun, UV radiations from the sun, they separated, they broke up water into hydrogen and oxygen. They broke up water into ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಯ್ತು. Okay, water is converted into hydrogen and oxygen with the help of the UV rays from the sun. As water and hydrogen are formed, hydrogen being lighter, it is escaped. Hydrogen light agittu, adu escape aitu, but oxygen remain in the atmosphere. Oxygen remain in the atmosphere, and then this oxygen combined with ammonia and methane. Then this oxygen combined with ammonia and methane. Ammonia antandre NH3, methane antandre CH3. Oxygen combined with ammonia and methane, then it forms the water. Water form aitu, carbon dioxide form aitu. Okay, later ozone layer is also be formed. Again matte form aitu, ozone layer kuda form aitu. Aita yavaga ozone layer form aitu, then the earth is protected from the UV radiation. ಅರ್ತ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಸಿಕ್ತು? ಅರ್ತ್ ಒಳಗ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಓಝೋನ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು, ದೆನ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು, which is helpful for the life to be formed on the earth. By all these contents, the life begins to form on the earth after the 500 million years ago. After the 500 million years of the formation of the earth. So ಭೂಮಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆದ ಸುಮಾರು 500 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ನಂತರ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಜೀವಿಗಳು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಬೌಟ್ 400 ಬಿಲಿಯನ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ago the life appeared on the earth for the first time ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? This is the how the life formed on the earth and the big bang theory. ಎರಡನ್ನ ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು.